This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, January 17th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. So at noon today we have a shortwave trough moving across the Midwest, the Ohio Valley, the Great Lakes. This brought the snow and blizzard conditions across parts of the state yesterday. It'll be off to our east across the Ohio Valley and the Great Lakes. Skies will be partly to mostly sunny today with highs in the teens northeast to almost 30 in the southwestern counties of the state. But you can see that system well off to our north and west. That dives in very late tonight into especially Saturday. This could bring some snow across the eastern half of the state. Readings in around 20 in the north and east to low to maybe mid-30s south and west. But Sunday, you better enjoy Sunday, because when you see the rest of this, you're gonna wish Sunday was every day. Highs in the 30s, 40s, maybe some lower 50s in the southwestern counties. Plenty of sunshine around. Monday it starts to cool off. Highs maybe in the mid-20s northeast to near 40 south and west. And then, unfortunately, it's not going to be that warm for the rest of the period, or even the rest of the month. High pressure comes in, temperatures drop, maybe upper single digits northeast to low to mid-20s south and west. Lows may be below zero, especially in our northern and eastern counties of the state where there's still quite a bit of snow. Wednesday, no change, still pretty much sunny. Temperatures still ranging from about 7-8 degrees in the northeast to maybe 25 in the southwestern counties. Still sunny. Thursday, here comes a system that could warm us up a little bit. Highs, teens, 20s, maybe a few lower to middle 30s in the southwestern counties where there will be a little more sunshine than in the northeast where there could be some snow showers or flurries. And then, unfortunately, a week from today, next Friday, that system is now moving into the eastern Ohio Valley, the Great Lakes, into New England, and you can see the polar vortex is over the Hudson Bay and Manitoba, and you can see a frontal system just north of the Canadian border that's just ready to crash into the country, and that's going to keep the cold weather around for the rest of the month, with highs on a week from today likely near seasonal levels. But as you can see here, as we go into the extended period on the 28th of January, the polar vortex is still over Hudson Bay, and little disturbances rotating around that feature will bring some snow showers, snow flurries around. Could see some snow showers to our south and southwest at this point. Temperatures will likely be maybe in the single digits, teens for highs, lows at or below zero more than likely. At the end of the forecast on the 1st of February, you can see the polar vortex is now off in the Canadian Maritimes, and the flow becomes a little flatter zonal across the area, and that means temperatures may start to warm up a little bit, but as warmer air tries to move in, yes, you guessed it, more snow is coming. Could be some light snow, another storm moving into the west, some rain across the Gulf Coast, if this is all to be right. Satellite image from last evening, you can see a few low and mid-level clouds across the Midwest and the Great Lakes, some higher clouds across the Oklahoma and Texas region. Otherwise, it was fairly calm across the country at this point. Looking at the watch warning map, some winter weather advisories across the Ohio Valley. A remnant blizzard warning in southwestern Minnesota was set to expire. Some wind chill advisories also in the northern plains, and some air stagnation still over the north and west. Going to the QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock, showing fairly dry from here westward. Some precipitation across the Great Lakes and across the Gulf Coast, but all of it fairly light to moderate at this point.